all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my skincare and hair care products. So many of you have been asking what kind of products I use for my hair and for my skin. I got a lot of DMs, so I thought why shouldn't I do a video where I'll be sharing all the products that I use for my hair and my skin. So here we go. So in this video, I'll be sharing the hair care and the skincare products that I use on a regular basis. So I'll be starting from the hair. For hair, I do my oiling twice a week, and for that I use this product. This is the Wow Argan hair oil. It's a non-sticky hair oil. It's really good. So I don't put hair oil overnight. I just put it 2 hours before I need to shampoo. That's why I do it twice in a week, and after that I shampoo. And for shampoo, I use this big bottle because I have colored hair. So I use this L'Oreal. This is the Color Radiance System for color treated hair shampoo. So you can use any shampoo of your choice, but because I have colored hair, and for colored hair people, the shampoo is a great option. I've got a big bottle because of the lockdown. You know, we can't get all these products easily, so I bought this. And for hair mask, I use the same brand hair mask. This is the L'Oreal Color Radiance System for color treated hair. It's a very nice mask. I just put on this mask for 5 minutes after the shampoo, and then I wash off my hair. After washing my hair, I use a hair serum. This is the hair serum that I'm using currently. This is the Vela Flowing Foam serum, and it is anti-frizz smoothing balm. It's a very nice serum, especially it smells really good. It just smells divine. I love this. You can also use this hair serum before straightening or curling your hair. It's a really good option. So this is the hair serum that I'm using. For my hair, I do hair masking. One of the videos you've already seen where I have made egg, olive oil and yogurt. That's occasionally that I do. You can do it twice a week. And for a product that I'm using for hair is this Mamaearth Argan hair mask. So it's with argan, avocado oil and milk protein for frizz-free and stronger hair. It's a really nice mask. You just need to apply this mask for 20 minutes. Try to put it in your roots and then wash it off with the shampoo. A very good option for a good and stronger hair. Now moving on to my skin, I'll be starting from the morning. What are all the products that I use from morning to the night? First thing in the morning that I use is this. This is the Biotique. I hope you can see. I'll be leaving these products in the description box below. This is the Biotique BioNeem Purifying Face Wash. It prevents pimples for all skin types. So basically, I have a little pigmented skin after my delivery. So I use this first thing in the morning to just cleanse all the dirt that I have from the night. It's a really good face wash. After cleansing my face with this face wash, I use a moisturizer. Guys, it's very important to use a moisturizer first thing in the morning. Just don't leave your skin dry because it just becomes very patchy and you get pigmentation very early. So I use this. This is the Kaya Anytime Moisturizing Cream. Very hydrating. It just gives my skin the hydration that I need. So I would recommend to go for this for people who have dry skin especially. So I'm a very dry skin, and this is a product that suits me a lot. Cleansing my skin in the morning, I go for my workout and then I take my shower. So for shower, I have shown you the hair products that I use, and for my body, I use this beautiful body wash. This is from Bath and Body Works. I don't think you can see it. I'll read it for you. This is the Aromatherapy Love Rose Plus Vanilla with natural essential oils. It is beautiful. It just smells so good. It just feels so good because after my workout, you sweat badly and you need a really refreshing shower gel. And this is the shower gel that I absolutely love. So this is the shower gel that I use. And after this, I use my body lotion. So I've shown you this body lotion earlier also. I love the Nivea body lotions. They're really hydrating, especially for dry skin. And also nowadays I'm currently loving the Bath and Body Works collection. This is again the Aromatherapy one. This is the Sleep Lavender Plus Vanilla with natural essential oils body lotion. It just smells divine. I love it. So this is the body lotion. These two are the body lotions that I use for after my shower. And for my face, I again go for the Kaya moisturizer. It's really hydrating. And I use my lip balms. This is from Nykaa. This is a Lip Macron lip balm. It's in strawberry shade. It's a matte lip balm. And I use this Baby Lips moisturizer. It's a tinted lip balm. I really need tint because I don't have natural pink lips, so I use a tinted lip balm also. I forgot to mention my face wash that I use for my shower, which is this. This is the Face Shop White Seed face wash. It's beautiful scrub. It just cleanses off the dead skin that I have, you know, the blackheads. It has a light scrub like texture, so it's really beautiful. I use this on a regular basis during my shower. It just acts like a scrub, but a mild scrub, so I would definitely recommend to use this. This is a really nice product. Coming to the night skincare routine, once I go to bed, even if I have put in makeup or not, I try to use a sheet mask. It's not necessary that I use it on a regular basis. If Avya is awake till late, I can't use it, but if she sleeps early, I just put on a sheet mask. Actually, my favorite sheet masks are from Lakme. They are so beautiful. I can't tell you, they smell so beautiful and just leave your skin so glowy. So I don't use it on a regular basis, but then I try to use it once or twice a week, especially in the night. This is the time that I'm a little free, so I try to put on a sheet mask. And if I'm not putting a sheet mask and if I have no makeup on, I use this product for cleansing my skin. Now this is the product that you can use for cleansing your makeup. It has an oil-like texture, so you just need to take 2 pumps and then just cleanse off all your makeup. It just cleanses all your mascara, your lipstick. It is a super product. It is the Rice Water Bright Light Cleansing Oil from the Face Shop. So you can see I've used half. It is such a beautiful product. I recommend this for the girls who use a lot of makeup. You can easily cleanse your makeup. And even if you have not applied makeup, just take a pump and just clean your skin. Leave your skin very glowy in the night. And once I have done using this, I just ensure that I massage my skin at least for 2 minutes with this oil. It just leaves my skin very glowy. And after using this, I use the same brand Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser, a superb product. So I clean my face with this during the night. And once I'm done with this, I use a toner, which is this. This is the Biotique Bio Cucumber. I have shown this in my earlier video as well. Pore tightening toner with Himalayan waters. It is such a nice toner. I can't find any other toners right now. I just love this one. So a great option. And please use toners because it will keep your skin pores tight, and we also have a hydrated skin once you get up in the morning. After using this, I just spray a little rose water on my face. This is the Kama Ayurveda rose water. So I just take it out and I just spray on my face. It's such a beautiful product. And in the end, I use my night cream. This is the Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro overnight gel. So it has a gel-like texture and it just hydrates your skin. It is so beautiful. Definitely use a night cream. It's really good. If you are not using a night cream, you can also use oils on your face. You can use a coconut oil or you can use an almond oil. Just massage your skin with any product. If it's a night cream, it's great. If not, use your moisturizer, use your oils, but massage your skin nicely at least for 2 minutes and then go off to bed. And last but not the least, do not forget to put on your lip balms. So either you use any lip balm, a matte lip balm, a tinted lip balm, so that when you wake up in the morning, you just feel so fresh. So I use these in the night for lip balms. So that's it, guys. These are all the products that I use for my skincare and for my hair care. I hope you guys like this video. And in case if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram also. I'll leave the link below. And for all these products, I'll be mentioning it all in my description box. And I'll be leaving a link directly so that you can directly purchase it. Watching my video, guys. Bye-bye.